So a lot of people have been worried about whether Bitcoin is ending its bubble phase and are we going to pull back? And some people have been talking about Ethereum as well too. So I've got a few warning signs on what's going on with Bitcoin right now and also Ethereum. Let's get straight into it. Don't place a trade based on what you'll see in this video because there is no guarantees of making a profit in the market. It takes you a long time to become a good trader. So this video here is just to educate you to become a much better trader. Alrighty traders, so let's get straight into it. I'm not saying this is going to be the top in the markets and this is going to be the end of this bubble, but there are a few warning signs that I want to share with you just to share with you what I'm seeing right now. Now, let's have a look at this here. Right now, we're looking at Bitcoin daily chart. And what's happening is we're still in a very big, nice stair-stepping phase here. Very big bull market, higher low, we're rallied up again, and now we're getting a bit of a pullback. But notice something here. Notice what we're getting right now, and we're actually getting a bit of weakness in here. Notice if I squeeze my charts up, look at this here. If I squeeze my charts up and if I start to look at something like this, notice how as the market is rising, the RSI is actually starting to fall. We're starting to get some divergence coming into play. Now, this will eventually hit the market. I've seen this so many times where you get the market's rising and rising, and we start to get a decrease in the RSI. And then we start to see something like that, pulling back in Bitcoin. So we're starting to see all of this through here. We're starting to see as Bitcoin's rising, so is the RSI, but the RSI is actually starting to fall. So really interesting. If we start to fail through here, this could be the top in this next bubble phase in Bitcoin. Something we need to be very cautious of. And also Ethereum. Look at Ethereum. Now I have drawn a couple of times in the past few times. You can see here on my RSI, you can see down the bottom here that we had the market, as the market broke this sort of RSI trend line coming up, that's when we had a nice big pullback. And you can see what's actually happened here recently. Really interesting stuff. Look what's happening here. We got a big pullback. Now the Ethereum ran right back up to 2000. But notice how the RSI was actually finding support. And now it's also finding resistance through here. So this is actually not a good positive sign for Ethereum. And if we fail through here and we start to roll back down again, guess what? That's now creating a lower high. And we're also, and this RSI is probably likely to continue down with that as well. And notice what you're doing here as well. Notice how you're getting that same sort of divergence as this market's been rising. We're getting the RSI overall coming down, divergence against that. So here is just a quick video for you guys to say that there is a warning sign based on Ethereum and based on Bitcoin. Is the Bitcoin bubble about to end? Leave a comment below, guys. Let me know what you think. And if you like this sort of stuff, guys, make sure you grab the $7 trading course. It's a flash sale that I'm running right now. Foundations, chart reading strategies, couple of good trading systems, mindset, you name it. Go to johnsflashsale.com and I'll speak to you guys real soon.